Hey there, little explorers. Hear that sound? That's the bees buzzing. But why do they buzz? Let's find out together. Bees buzz because their wings flap super fast, around 200 times per second. That's faster than you can clap. But wait, there's more. The buzzing sound helps them talk to other bees. It's like their own secret language. Can you make a buzzing sound? Try it. Go. Wow, you'd make a great bee. Isn't it amazing how bees use their buzz to fly and talk? What's your favorite thing about bees? Let us know.